Hello, Abusia. Hey, another sad story. Just a dear Chibia Ete Asembone. Yes, a Nigerian student en route to London reportedly falls sick aboard Egypt Airlines and dies. Hey, young girl, so beautiful, with such a promising future ahead of her. September 4th, nano Monday, yes, or Bordeaux plane no, Mortal Mohammed International Airport, Lagos. Say, oh, school or London, Aquacusia dio. Plane 2 years now, say, on Babylon, or Cairo, no follow sick or yare. In London, yet Nuko Hospital. Rika Yensomo Kojoto. Abo Fraketwa, Ababa Waketwa, no, our warfare plane, Nebiano 1 year. Within how many hours? From Lagos to London? About 6 hours? Or 4 hours? And Rano etimi ewu. Emma, you didn't go to Morg away. Egypt, Cairo. Hey, now when I can Baba for Egypt, Egypt, I think it's a way the MC to my Rebecca. Goodbye to you guys on to some Baba Yamway. Oh, where's the Danny? That is a dear actually crown ye. MC a running woo, no. And no more report to case to Nigerian Embassy, which I feel say that is the right path and the easiest and the fastest way to get in contact with the family. And then I believe the embassy will have to notify the family, and then they contact, or the airlines contact the family, or there is an arrangement for the family and the airlines to have a conversation and dialogue about what happened, whilst the embassy is basically embassy all this connection happened. However, ebusiafo so bofu say adan na airlines mo na me bana babe fu mo plane no me bano ayare ritia wayi mu ewu na makoto na twen ewo Egypt fridge mu na man consult yen na mo so kra adima no so kra pa me say jama mo frɛ anyway they say mo frɛ embassy no asem ketwa bi they left the embassy without any too much details. Tim say ebusiafo no ebuafu omubudifu in the sense say why in the person offer a bucket to wa papa wa enti say ebusia prepare the mu nyina rura kwa kosua de wa botre na how many hours obia beko wa wotinye no kwa de beko omma onyame fa ne kranse ye no nyame hwe mofra omu tu akwan just because akwaba better on your family's life, because your chrono, some people may say have no better future for them. Hence the influx of exit from Ghana and from the other African nations. It is very, very sad. I really wish the family of this Nigerian young girl my condolence, and also may they continue to have the strength from God to go through these ordeals. Rest in peace, beautiful.